Google Chrome for Windows 10. Why can't you install Chrome on Windows 10? Here are some pro-grade tips to help you optimize the download, installation, and configuration of Google Chrome on Windows 10. 1. Download the correct version, stable versus beta or canary. The stable version is recommended for everyday use, as it is the most reliable. However, if you want to test new features or updates before they are released to the public, you can opt for the beta or canary versions from the Chrome download page, https://www.google.com/chrome. 32-bit versus 64-bit. The 64-bit version provides better performance and security on Windows 10. Download the 64-bit version unless you're using an older system that only supports 32-bit. 2. Use command line installation for custom setups. You can perform a command line installation of Chrome with specific parameters. This is particularly useful if you want to set up Chrome silently or without any user prompts. For example, Chrome setup.exe silent disable logging no first run. This command will install Chrome without prompts, disable logging, and skip the first run setup window, allowing for a cleaner installation process. 3. Optimize performance with Chrome flags. Access Chrome//flags to enable or disable experimental features. Some popular flags for performance improvement include, #enable parallel downloading, speeds up download speeds by enabling parallel downloading. #smooth scrolling, enable smoother scrolling, which can be particularly helpful on touch screens. #GPU rasterization, forces Chrome to use the GPU for rendering, which can improve graphics performance. Use these with caution, as flags are experimental and could affect browser stability. 4. Customize settings for privacy and security. Disable third-party cookies. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Cookies and Other Site Data, and select Block Third-Party Cookies. Enable Safe Browsing. Ensure that Enhanced Safe Browsing is enabled in Settings, Privacy and Security. This feature provides real-time threat protection. Configure Do Not Track. Enable the Do Not Track request in Settings, Privacy and Security, Cookies and Other Site Data to improve privacy while browsing. 5. Install Chrome extensions efficiently. For advanced productivity, consider using the following extensions: uBlock Origin, efficiently blocks ads, trackers, and malware. The Great Suspender, helps free up system resources by suspending unused tabs. LastPass or Bitwarden, for secure password management and autofill. You can also use Chrome // extensions to manage or quickly disable any extensions that may be impacting performance. 6. Create multiple user profiles for organization. If you use Chrome for both work and personal browsing, setting up separate profiles can keep things organized. Go to Settings, Manage Other People, Add Person, and create a new profile with a unique name and icon. Each profile can have its own set of extensions, bookmarks, and settings. 7. Enable Sync with encryption. Chrome Sync feature allows you to sync bookmarks, history, and passwords across devices. However, you can also enable a custom passphrase for added security. Go to Settings, Sync and Google Services Encryption Options and select Encrypt Sync Data with your own sync passphrase for an extra layer of security. 8. Use keyboard shortcuts for speed. Familiarize yourself with Chrome's keyboard shortcuts to speed up navigation. Ctrl+T, open a new tab. Ctrl+Shift+T, reopen the last closed tab. Ctrl+L, jump to the address bar. Ctrl+Shift+N, open a new incognito window. Mastering these shortcuts can greatly enhance your browsing efficiency. 9. Manage startup behavior. Set Chrome to open with specific pages or resume from where you left off. Go to Settings on Startup and select Open a specific page or set of pages. Set it to open frequently visited sites. Continue where you left off. If you often work with multiple tabs, this will save your session and restore it upon reopening Chrome. 10. Use Task Manager for Chrome to troubleshoot performance issues. Access Chrome's built-in Task Manager by pressing Shift+ESC. Here, you can see the resources each tab and extension is using, and processes for tabs or extensions that are consuming excessive resources, which can help speed up your browser. By following these advanced tips, you can significantly enhance Chrome's performance, security, and usability on Windows 10. Whether you're optimizing for productivity, privacy, or performance, these steps will help you get the most out of your browsing experience.